Hello everybody, this is the oil catch can checkup after 2 oil changes with liquid moly. So first, before the previous 2 oil changes with the liquid moly, I used the Castrol, the European formula. And I'll just go ahead and tell you the liquid moly outperforms that a lot. So I have not dumped this at all. So this is 2 oil changes of liquid moly, and I have not checked or dumped this can at all. So that's about how much oil I got that evaporated out of the system. Now the Castrol, if I can try to get this flat, the Castrol was about triple or maybe double the amount of oil that was in here just on that single oil change itself. And I change my oil every 3,000 miles or so. You know, I just try to get behind the schedule rather than pass it or right at it. But yeah, this is not a lot compared to that Castrol I did. This is about 6,000 miles of the 540 liquid moly. But yeah, I'm a lot more happier with this oil than the Castrol. And also the Castrol would come out a lot darker than the liquid moly. Yeah, it just came out a lot darker. The liquid moly still held a little kind of gold to it, as you know, typically when you have brand new oil and it's a super clear gold, there's still a little bit of gold to the tone of the oil, which I liked. But yeah, I highly recommend the liquid moly for these. One more thing I forgot to tell is the Castrol. German motors are notorious for, you know, oil consumption. I mean, look how many hoses there are to the PCV valve and the crankcase. On the Castrol, I went below the oil sensor and it showed up and it said added oil, and I was kind of worried about that. But ever since I used the liquid moly, I have never had that happen again. And even on the dipstick, I mean, it's just barely went down. So I'm highly satisfied with the liquid moly, and I highly recommend it for German cars, especially, and other cars. Anyways, just a little talk. Y'all take care and have a great day.